Stop losing EPC job calls. Showcase your design, testing, and project experience, not AI or programming, to get noticed by the recruiters. Short answer is it is partly true, but not 100% true. Let me explain clearly. For EPC construction, power, and site based electrical roles, recruiters mainly look for electrical projects you worked on, design, site, testing, and commissioning experience, knowledge of substations, panels, cables, protections, motors, solar, etc. But if the resume highlights Python, Java, AI, but does not clearly shows electrical work, recruiters may think candidate is more into IT or software and may not stay in the core electrical role. This is why some candidates don't get shortlisted, not because Python is bad, but the resume does not match the job. But saying never write Python or AI is not fully correct. The approach is wrong. Writing Python, AI, Java at the top, no mention of electrical systems, no project related to power, site, design, testing. This confuses the EPC recruiter. Correct approach is electrical skills must come first and dominate the resume. Programming can be added only if it supports the electrical work. You can mention Python only if used for electrical tasks such as load calculation, power system analysis, data logging from SCADA, energy analysis, automation scripts for testing. Now, how to use Python in the resume? Frame the sentence like used Python for load analysis and power data visualization in a solar plant project. Never mention Python, Java, AI in the skill column. What EPC recruiters really want to see in the resume? They scan your resume for keywords like under project they look for substation, solar, building, plants. In equipments they look for transformers, MCC panel, relay. Under the type of work they look for keywords like design, site, commissioning, maintenance. In tools they look for AutoCAD, ETAP, MS Excel. If they don't see these keywords in 10 to 15 seconds, they move on to the other resume. Truth about remaining jobless, the real issue is the resume mismatch, not Python itself. Many electrical engineers, they apply to EPC jobs, submit the IT style resumes, and at the end don't get calls. And they think core jobs are not available. So the clear answer is for EPC jobs, a resume should focus on electrical systems, projects, site, design, and testing work. Writing Python automatically makes you unselectable is also false. Balance is the key. Simple rule to follow is if 70 to 80% of your resume is core electrical content, then you are safe. Programming should be supporting, not leading. Hope this gave you a clarity on why the resumes get rejected. If you like this content, then please do share, subscribe, Tech Job Guides, and do visit the channel for more such content on electrical career.